Hi guys, so today we are going to do a makeup declutter. From the end of last year, I already decided I wanted to do a major declutter because, you know, a girl collected a lot of stuff. So I was gonna do like a clothes declutter, a makeup declutter, a skincare declutter, show you what I've decluttered, and then do an updated apartment tour. I thought you guys might like that. It's been a while. I've lived here for almost 2 years now, and I've definitely like accumulated more stuff and shifted around the space. I thought it would be fun, okay? The clothes declutter is already up. I'm gonna link it up here if you haven't seen it. But today we're gonna do a makeup declutter. So to give you a brief introduction of sort of like my makeup space, all of it is situated inside my bedroom by like the left corner. So you have my vanity. I installed these like LED light bulbs myself. You can get them on Lazada or Shopee, I think, for like under $20. It's flanked by two smaller like side mirrors, and then it has two top drawers and then two bigger drawers on the bottom. Inside those drawers I actually have like hair accessories and like mirrors and stuff like that. Right on top I have my holy grail stuff that I reach for all the time, new stuff that I want to try out, I want to remember to use. And then right next to it is my Alex 9 drawer, and this is where I keep the majority of my makeup. They're organized by like steps, you know, parts of face to do sort of thing. I'm gonna get into it deeper in a bit. And then right on top we have like some more products, mostly like pencils, lip products, stuff like that. It's not really messy, it's just sort of cluttered because it's always been organized, and it's something that I love and use all the time and I dig through. But at a certain point it became very full and it became difficult to like spot the distinct things that I wanted, and I started forgetting that things that I like, that I really have inside, you know, that sort of thing, and I don't get to use it. So what I'm gonna do is go through drawer by drawer and then pick out the stuff. I'm doing this because there are things that are just not me, just stuff that I wouldn't wear, or just stuff that's not my color, not my type, and I just have to let go even though it's like really good and I really like the color and stuff like that. I'm talking a lot about lip products. It's all lipsticks, and that's why we decided to target lip products first, even though it's not like one of the top drawers. Also because like right on top it is lip products. So I was lucky enough to have my friend Minru. She came over and we was just sort of sorting things out together, and she was brutal. So I'm gonna walk you through the footage. It's very pale, a bit too pale for me. I regret everything. There. I got it when I was there. Wait, let me try it again. I got a whole set. I didn't even fucking use any of it, no. The 3 colors. Look, they're damn smooth.
All of them are damn smooth. All of them are damn nice.
That is true.
And all of them look like this.
You're right. You're right! In my decluttering process, I kind of broke it up into 4 unofficial piles. The first one is keep it. The second pile is maybe. Maybe if I put a lot of maybes there, 2 of them might be very similar in formula, in like finish, in effect, or even in color, so that I can get rid of one or the other. And then the third pile is stuff that I'm going to give away, give to my friends. But because the pile got so big, I'm actually thinking of doing a grab bag. So all of the makeup that I'm decluttering, plus skincare, plus clothes, put them into a little bag. We did this like at the end of 2018. It feels so long ago, but also doesn't. Y'all seem to enjoy it. I had a great time like packing based on what y'all like and like your size. I got really good comments from y'all, so I'm planning to do that again. And then the final pile just happens to be a trash bin. It's just stuff that's expired, that's maybe too used. I can't really pass it to anyone else. If it doesn't look good anymore, if it smells even a little bit off, even if it's not past the expiry date, it is going in that bin. So remember, those are my 4 big piles going in. How long have we been here? 3 hours? So these are the things I'm keeping. These are KIV. And then these are the stuff that I'm giving away.
Not enough.
What? What do you mean?
It
What
can be
do
more.
you mean?
Look at that.
But I love every single one.
Okay. You really do love all of them.
That's
we quarrel over every single one that went into this box.
That is true. That is true. So we're gonna go through like our last. This one is very difficult for me because I love the formula of the lip creams, and these colors are like just so different.
Like all these browns, she can't get rid of.
Like Stockholm. Pretty sure you're holding Stockholm.
Am
and
I?
Then yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, I told you! Okay, it is after dinner. My friend Minru has left. It's just me and you. Okay, so let's keep on keeping on. I'm gonna use that advent calendar box as like my laptop stand so that I can watch like Grace and Frankie. The lip products did take a while. Now we're moving on to the other makeup products. Alright, I want y'all to ignore the mess that's happening here or wherever else you see it. And we're gonna tackle by draw. I don't use mascaras that much because I have lash extensions on all the time. It's not even open yet. I'm gonna pass this along. I honestly never ever use it, so I'm just gonna pass it along as well. Okay, there looks like there's some kind of growth on this. Can you see? A bit disgusting. This is expired. Great. Sorry if your name cards are here, but these are just name cards that I don't really need to refer to, and also like product cards from like the annual advent calendar that I'm also using as dividers, and these are very handy as like mascara shields. Let's go through eyeliners. Okay, so I know for a fact that this one is something that I don't use anymore. That's pretty good, you guys! These are gel liners. I'm gonna keep these here because I don't have a lot. I am a big like brow stuff hoarder, so we'll have to go through everything pretty slowly. You don't even know. Oh wait, this is the super liner. This one reminds me of the Mistine, doesn't it? Anastasia's, yes. I love the Precisely My Brow. Love! Mistine, baby! Okay. Right here, as you can see, it's a little bit dark, but this is my like highlight and contour area. So these have to be split up. This fell out, but it still works fine, so should I keep it? I don't know how I feel about this. Damn, I feel like I used it a lot just to use it. Hourglass is staying with me for life. Oh, this one is tough. I think I'll get rid of it. This is a yes. Okay, I think I'm done. I'm gonna put them back in. I've been using these organizers from Daiso, but the problem is they're really flimsy, so I'm gonna replace them with some boxes. Over here I have a couple of these. I don't know if they're gonna work. And then I also have this. Doesn't really work, but okay. Let's see, let's see. I want to keep my bronzers to this side and my highlights to this side, so... It's like blocking my... Okay, this is better. Like this. Lunch shmani. Is this necessary to keep? You know what? No. I'm gonna take this out. Okay, so this is my new drawer. It's quite neat, quite accessible. Things are easy to sort of rummage through. Awesome. Moving on to the next most exciting, probably messy drawer. My blushes. So it's just a little bit juicy on the sides. That's okay. So straight away I can pick out my favorites. And I really don't know if I want to keep or not. Alright, I'm gonna take this out. What a setup, right? I'm actually gonna put this one back in because I think this one was sturdier than the other one. There's more! What? This is an Illamasqua, but this is way too light, so I'm gonna give it away. These are like recycled music scores that I used to line my drawers. Okay, let's put them back in. Cream blushes. Plenty of space, you know, for whatever that comes in, but hey, that is it. Let's move on to this, which y'all already know is still beautiful, is still tight, and then yikes, this one needs a lot of decluttering, so let's go. I'm gonna try better ways to set this up. Maybe using one of these trays that I didn't get to use just now. Expired! This is great. Red one jelly pack. It's not expired, right? Expired! I like having my options. This is really tough. This is also never going to happen. I definitely bought the wrong shade. Oh my gosh, I used to be so tanned. Okay, this one also needs to go because I'm pretty sure it's expired. The Innisfree one is fine, but it's a bit light for me now. And then the MAC one's a little bit dark. KIV for now. These ones I am for sure keeping. I love them very much. This Studio Fix is way too light for me, so it's gonna go. Love the Innisfree still. Ooh, this one. Oh, there are more here. Totally forgot, Lamau. Way too pinky on me. Thank you, but you're gonna have to go. I might keep the green one just for fun. Am I painting a rainbow right here? What's going on? So these are the products I am keeping. The smaller ones, I'll put them in here. And then these are glow. And then mattifying goes in another one. And pearl bases go in another one as well. Okay, so these are my primers. Alright! Ooh, this is turning out really well. This is how it's looking so far. If I keep this here, I have space to put my foundation. And then over here, I put in this divider. And then I'm gonna aga and see like how much space I need to create the divider space also. This is the tallest thing, so... Okay. But this is so nice, right? But I haven't put in the powders yet. I might find another place to put my powders in because I really like this. Okay, you guys, I found a solution which is really fantastic. This is actually from IKEA. It's one of their like drawer organizers. I think it's meant for the kitchen or some like storage. So I just did a little bit of reorganizing. And then right here, right? So if you see, this looks like it cannot be removed. But when you tilt it up, it just sort of like almost fixes in place. So that's what I'm doing, and it seems to fit really well, and it just fits all of my face powders. So with that, my foundation drawer can look like this without being overstacked with powders and stuff. It also frees me up to use these for later. I don't know if I'm gonna have to use them, but these are dividers from Daiso. The rest of these two drawers are just supplies, but right here we have the bulk of my eye palettes. And here we have falsies, cream shadows, and glitters. I'm going to set aside the singles first. And I would like to show you how much I love my palettes. This was a gift lah. Okay, I didn't write my own name. But I've swatched like all of the different palettes so that I can see what colours are in what palette. These are ones that I use almost every single day and I really love. So I'm gonna set them aside because I'm never getting rid of them. I don't know how to start. Okay, but let's start with small palettes. I don't know, I'm so nervous. Oh wow, the Prism eyeshadows. Okay, you know what? This one is easy for me to let go of. I only kept it because like Kathleen Lights liked it so much, but I've never used it, like literally never. Remember my Thailand haul and my very excessive eyeshadow palettes? I'm still excited about them. I don't have colours quite like them. Ooh, the Smashbox Full Exposure. I might pass this on to someone else. It's just not for me, I guess. These are really unique, so I'm gonna keep them. They're all mattes. Oh yeah, these are all like fun party ones. Fenty, my girl, I'm keeping you. I forgot that I even had it, so I think I'm gonna pass it along. The Colourpop palettes, all of them I use very regularly. These natural eyes, at this point it's like not really safe to use them anymore. Ah, the Marc Jacobs. It's tough because like they're expensive and I bought them and I love them. I wouldn't give them to someone else because they look pretty old already, and they are, so I'm gonna throw them away. Same for the Too Faced like boudoir eyes. These ones also need to go. Nude Tude. I think I can give this to someone else. I think someone will really like it because I really very rarely use it. This smoke palette is very difficult. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I do like the colours a lot though. Yeah, I know I'm gonna keep it. The quartz on the other hand, I can definitely like give some away, I feel. Okay, you know what? I think someone else will like this because I really don't use this enough. Time for the XL palettes. Okay, I've gotten every single variation. I've only kept 5, which I think is pretty good. It's really difficult to decide. Okay, I want to keep this because this is the only like neutral original one that I kept. And then let's pick one to keep. Ah, I have to do it. I have to do it. Okay. So ta-da! That's not bad, right? Okay, so after many days of decluttering, taking my own sweet time, and I think that's very important, like don't rush everything all at once. I do get to like really shop through my own collection and get excited about my own makeup again. This is the final result. Okay, now that you've seen that, let me show you what I've decluttered. This is just one of 3 boxes. Okay, I can't take the others because a lot of them are like piled up with other stuff and it's just not safe. This is just full of makeup. Some of them are unopened, like extra stuff from PR. Some of them I bought the wrong color, so like the Ordinary, the Serum Foundation. All of these things will be in grab bags. Yeah! Alright, so that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also stay tuned to the skincare one because I know you guys are super excited. I'm going to be decluttering and organizing on camera, and then you're gonna be able to see what my holy grails and stuff that I'm excited about right on the top. So stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every Wednesdays and Sundays. Sometimes might skip a day, so do turn on your notifications and I will see you guys really soon. Bye!